How to create a new project in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the program is loaded, you will be greeted with a project manager window. To create a new project, click on the new project button at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your project and location. Type in the name you want and choose the location. After that, click Create and your new project will now open up in the workspace. Next, you will want to set up your project settings. To do this, click on the File menu at the top left and select Project Settings. Here you can adjust the resolution, frame rate, and other settings based on your project requirement. After setting up your project settings, it's time to start importing your media. Click on the Media tab at the bottom and you will see the Media pool. Right-click in the Media pool and select Import Media to add your video, audio, or images. Once your media is imported, you are all set to start editing your project. You can drag your files onto the timeline and begin working on your video right away. And that's it. Now you know how to create a new project in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.